Rosamond Renewable Energy Group, or the RREG as we like to call ourselves, is part of Rosamond Electric, the largest employee-owned union electrical contractor in the country. At over 104 years old, Rosamond operates across 38 states, providing best-in-class design-build electrical contracting services for every major vertical market in the overall construction industry. The RREG has been operating since 2009 when Rosamond diversified its wind electrical subcontracting work into a role as one of the largest turnkey EPCs in the country for utility and distributed generation solar projects, in addition to electrical support for our wind projects. Over the past 5 years, we've installed over 5 gigawatts of renewable energy work across some 70 projects in 12 states across the country. And over the past 3 years, we've also become the largest installer of utility-scale battery energy storage projects, both for standalone BESS projects and co-located hybrid PV Solar Plus BESS projects like Gaskill. Gaskill is our 5th project in Kern County, capping off a portfolio of over 50 wind, PV, and BESS projects constructed or in construction in California. As a hybrid PV and BESS project, it is designed to provide power to 5 different California-based off-takers while providing SCE with the grid stability to support when needed, which is a unique characteristic of hybrid projects. The Gaskill project is sized at 140 megawatts DC, or about 104 megawatts AC of solar PV voltaic energy that is sufficient to power approximately 18,000 California homes and offset approximately 180,000 metric tons of carbon production every year. The Gaskill project also includes a battery energy storage system of 20 megawatts, or 80 megawatt hours of storage generation, which allows us to take energy from the sun when it's sunny and store for a later time in the evening when people want to use it for their power, and therefore shift the benefits of solar to the evening when more people will want to use it. Construction itself lasted about 9 months, and during that time we had a peak of 425 tradespeople on the site. Most of the labor came from the local unions in Kern and LA counties. We had the IBEW Local 47, the Laborers Union, the Operators Union, and the Ironworkers Union all working together under a project labor agreement. Even though located in Kern County, the Gaskill project itself is very close to the LA County border, which allowed us the benefits of having 2 counties to operate on this project. Obviously, with 425 people on a project, the impact of so many people working on a project expands into the community in many ways. A very important aspect of Rosamond's business philosophy is to work with all local community stakeholders to maximize communications while ensuring as much positive impact on the greater community as possible. When we come onto a project site, we look to utilize local labor as much as possible. We really believe in giving back to the community, making sure that we have people in the community working on the project that will make a big difference in their own backyards. We also closely follow ESG guidelines on the project, which is environmental, social, and governance requirements. We are tracking all of the water that we're using, monitoring the dust control, and also any incidences or accidents that may occur on the project. Working closely with our client, Matrix, we were able to start construction in the middle of 2022, and 9 months later, we completed the construction meeting all regulatory and commercial deadlines. The ultimate result was that we were able to start the project on time, complete the project on time, and on budget. The Gaskill project is unique from a commercial standpoint because it has multiple clean power off-takers. Being a hybrid PV BESS project allows you to dispatch power during the evening hours during peak load demand. Secondly, it also allows utilities to better manage their grid by having an additional resource like a battery. Essentially, you can eliminate the grid congestion during high peak periods in the evening. The California Energy Commission has mandated that 60% of all power being procured by 2030 must come from renewable energy sources. One of the challenges with that mandate is how to provide renewable energy on a consistent basis, and with the battery storage component, this is possible, meaning that most all renewable energy projects, wind and solar, will require some level of battery storage to address the grid stability challenge. The Gaskill project was also built in strict compliance with all California environmental guidelines, including the creation of a mitigation plan for the removal of the Joshua trees and establishment of conservation easements around the state. This is what you get with a Rosamond Renewable Energy Group project solution. A team that partners with our developer-owner clients early in the development phase to provide value engineering, design and estimate perspectives that result in the lowest overall cost of power produced, while ensuring a spotless safety record, resulting in a very happy customer.